tech line. Got a sick small block Mopar. Then we got Cletus and his guys up there. Pretty sick Hellcat. Actually, it's a Demon. Then we got the Fox, the rig. Alright guys, we're about to go through tech for the old Fox body. There's a lot of crazy stuff here, man. We got Parker Mitchell's sick SN95 right here. Well, technically new edge, but we've got the old Fox body, Ruby, some TFI cars. We're gonna get this thing through. The goal is to finish the week, man. That's all I want to do. I'll be so happy if we finish. It's getting hot as hell out here at Bradenton. It started out not too bad, but we'll see what ends up happening throughout the rest of the day. See if the track stays good or if it gets slimy because it's so hot. Don't know if you can hear me, but this is the state we're in. We got water in the car. We're gonna pass, I hope. This is a cool trailer right here. Is that Mr. Birch? Look, there's still cars coming to get teched in on the other side. There's a lot of stuff here, man. We got Teslas. I mean, we got everything from Teslas to 55 Chevys. It's crazy. Guys, we are behind the scenes of the Freedom Factory. I believe that's Freedom Force 1 or whatever they call that thing. We passed tech, and I think we are about to drive on the Freedom Factory oval. I'm not 100% sure, but we're about to find out. This is going to be wild. We passed tech, got our stickers, we got our number, everything's all ready. Cletus clearly is inflating some Crown Vic prices. I mean, look at this. I'm just kidding, but that's absolutely glorious. He's doing amazing stuff. Looks like we're gonna get on the Freedom Factory. Let's see how this goes. This will be pretty cool. This road's beating up the trailer though, not gonna lie. There's some sick stuff here, man. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I am nerding out right now, man. This is so cool. Cletus, everybody, thanks for doing this, man. TBM, great job. This is cool. Look at all the cars. I mean, these things are incredible. There's a Taco Time. I think Narcs was riding around with them for a little bit. They still might be, not sure. If you guys didn't know, go check out Mike Narcs. I was actually on one of his podcasts. He's doing some cool stuff. So, don't really know where I'm going here, but I'm going to find out. This is insane, man. Just wanted to be noted, I did not tear up the grass. That should be noted. I believe this is Stephen Boring's car out of Jacksonville. This thing is wicked. Does some cool stuff, but look at this. Wow, there's not even words to describe. That's so cool. This is a TBM pre-party right here at the Freedom Factory. The Fox is some right about there. Can recommend the pork sandwich. It was pretty good. Nice job, guys.
Check.
I'm gonna go down and check out some motion stuff, look at some of the cars. Literally everything here is wicked fast. They're still finishing tech over at Bradenton. They have their work cut out for them, but the fun started over here.